Hi guys, it's Dollastic here, and I am here with Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D dog tags. I apologize if my voice squeaks a little bit because it's kind of late at night, and at late at night your voice sinks, right? That happens to all of us, not just me. These dog tags, I bought them at Target in the trading card section. I was actually there looking for MLP dog tags or Adventure Time dog tags, but I actually found these in the 99-cent section. Unfortunately, I don't know the original price of these, but I do know that in this bag you will get one dog tag and one sticker. So let's open up and see what I got inside. Sure. I think this is the checklist. So you can get dog tags of the characters and their monsters. There are 24 to collect. Got the sticker of Turbo Warrior. And this one is, ooh, this one is Yusei, which is the main character of 5D. Checklist. I got the sticker of Jack Atlas. And the dog tag of Montage Dragon. Ooh. And this one is like metallic-y. Maybe it'll be easier if I just... No! Why did I do that? I should have just cut it. I ripped my sticker. Oh, I'm so stupid. Why did I do that? Oh. Okay, from now on I'm only cutting. I'm not going to rip it. I just ripped my sticker. Oh, I didn't rip my sticker. I ripped my checklist. Oh my goodness, thank goodness. I got another sticker of Jack Atlas, but this is different from the one that I got just now, previously. And this one is Turbo Warrior. Now I got Turbo Warrior sticker and the dog tag. Okay, lesson learned. I'm not ripping the package open. I am carefully going to cut the package open. Akiza. Ooh, I got the Stardust Dragon. Two more to go. So far, I'm really happy. Looks like they left all the good bags behind. Red Dragon. Oh, and this is the Red Dragon one too. Oh, that one just opened by itself. Oh, I got the Turbo Warrior sticker again. And come on now. Oh, come on. Ooh, Stardust Dragon. I think I have this one. Oh no, I do have it, but I do have a Stardust Dragon, but in a different form. See, this one is like metallic-y, but this one is not. So here are all the stickers that I got. I usually don't use my stickers. I usually keep them in safe places unless I have double. So yeah, I'm not going to be using these for sure. And this one, I'm probably just going to use that one. And these are the dog tags I got. Luckily, I didn't get any doubles. I wasn't really going to complain even if I did get doubles because I only paid 99 cents per bag. I got 2 foil dog tags and I got Yusei. I kind of wanted Jack too, but well, I got 2 Jack stickers, so I'm happy. Now that I know that they have Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D dog tags and I know that they're awesome, I might just get more of them if I do run into them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do watch Yu-Gi-Oh! Please tell me in the comment section below which one was your favorite series of Yu-Gi-Oh! Mine was actually Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Monsters. I will have more blind bag openings and reviews coming up. So if you haven't done already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and become one of my awesome subscribers. Until next time, bye guys!